I'm going to show you guys the Proscenic Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is the light but powerful vacuum cleaner for your home with an LED display. It's going to have up to 40 minutes of runtime. It's basically a stick vacuum and it's got the anti-tangle brush. It's lightweight. It's for carpet and for hardwood. Here's what I love about it is with animals, pets, dogs, lots of fur, it's going to light up and show you just how much hair is actually on your floor, especially on the darker wood floors. I love that it has the digital time on it. It's literally telling me how many more minutes I have to be able to use this vacuum before it needs to be recharged. So this is something that I would recommend to anyone who has pets. It does pick up the pet hair. It shows you exactly where everything is. And when I went to go use my old vacuum and realized it didn't have this light to shine on every little thing that was on the ground, it made it harder to see when vacuuming. It really did. So this is something I do recommend, especially if you have pets. I think it is a great vacuum cleaner.